Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Zoom calls, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you customize the background in a Zoom call? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to customize your background in a Zoom call anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that branding is important. So if you're going to be doing sales calls or employee calls, maybe you want to have your company logo behind you. Whatever the case is, the pretty easy process is handled here in your Zoom call. This is an actual Zoom call that I'm on right now. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Zoom call, and this is the call screen. So first, in order to customize your background, I'm going to go ahead and turn on my video. It's going to be kind of strange because there's two of me, but it'll help illustrate the video a little bit better. Okay, so here is my video Zoom call. Now, if you want to customize the background, you're going to click on this little arrow next to the video camera. Once you do that, click on Adjust Background and Effects. Okay, now if you want to customize your background, you're going to make sure you're clicked here on Virtual Backgrounds. You can see I have this kind of space thing going on behind me, but I can go ahead and use these templates that are preset. So we have San Francisco right here. Looks like I have the Northern Lights. But if you want to do a customized background, you can click on this plus icon and grab an image from your desktop. Let me go ahead and grab something. All right, I'm going to go ahead and choose image. You can also do a video. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to grab an image or a photo. Okay, I grabbed an image of some tacos. Now you can see here is my image right here. And then I have these tacos going on behind me. So of course, that's not going to be my brand, but if I were to put my logo behind me, that's going to be even better if you're doing sales calls or employee calls. Also, if I'm going through a sales process, I can go ahead and change the background. So maybe during my sales call, I'm talking about tacos. And then right after that, I'm going to be talking about San Francisco. I can easily just click into San Francisco and it's going to change my background immediately. And then maybe later on in my sales call, I'm going to be talking about space. So then I'll click over to here to kind of emphasize my point. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set a customized background in your Zoom call, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.